Amazon requires every affiliate site to have a privacy policy. The privacy policy should be easily accessible from anywhere on the site and should mention that the webmaster is an Amazon affiliate. The easiest way to generate a privacy policy for your website is to use a privacy policy generator. Let's see how to use one such service. This is the URL you will want to go to: privacypolicyonline.com. You need to enter the title and URL of your website. Let me copy the URL from here. The contact link is how you would want the link to your email appear. Let's enter webmaster. For the email address, we can use the one we entered in the general settings screen. This is asking whether you want emails to this address to be encrypted. Let's choose no encryption. We do use cookies on the site, so you'd want to choose the first option. The only advertisers on our site will be Amazon.com. So let's choose only Amazon.com. Let's generate the policy now. This is the policy that has been generated. One thing you would want to change about this policy is this: Google is not an advertiser, so you would want to remove this section about the double-click dart cookie. One other thing is, this policy has links that link back to this website. We will need to nofollow those links. We can do those from the WordPress editor. Let's now generate the HTML code. This is the HTML code for the privacy policy that was generated. Let's highlight this and copy. Let me create a privacy policy page. And you need to go to the text tab and then paste the HTML code. You would not want to paste the HTML code in the visual tab. We'll save the draft. Now when you click on the visual tab, you see the privacy policy. As we discussed earlier, we will need to remove this section and we will need to nofollow all of the links that link back to that website. There's one here. This is linking back to the privacy policy online website. Let's go to the text tab. We need to find out where that link was. Here. Here's that link. We need to add the rel is equal to nofollow attribute here. We nofollowed one link. There are more. So let's search for all links to the website and let's nofollow all of them. We can possibly delete this whole section. Let's save the draft. Let's now preview the page. This is what the privacy policy looks like. We nofollowed all these links so that we don't have to worry about them. In addition to this privacy policy page, you will also want to add an affiliate disclosure. We will see how to do that in the next video.